Are you tall or short?
I am tall.
Excellent, Theo.
I am tall.
Yes, you are tall too, Ben. Good. Okay, look at the kangaroos. This kangaroo is
Tall.
Tall.
tall. Theo, tall.
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 Good. This kangaroo is
Short. Short.
okay, good. What color are the kangaroos? This kangaroo is
Purple.
okay. It is
It is purple.
It is purple.
purple. What color is this kangaroo?
It is orange.
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 Yes, orange. Good. What color is this kangaroo?
This kangaroo is yellow.
Excellent.
It is blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Good. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
I'm going to close my eyes and everyone will take a card and hide it.
Okay.
Okay, but remember your card.
Yes.
Okay, ready? I close my eyes, take a card, hide your card. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, say, open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Oh, great. Ooh, they're missing kangaroos. Okay, are you, oh no, sorry. If you are
If you are
tall, star jump. Good. If you are short, squat. Excellent. If you are purple, turn around. If you are blue, touch your nose. Excellent. Good job, guys. Now, ideally, you would put a lot of the same, you have a big class, you'd put a lot of kangaroos on the board so that it would be difficult for you to know who took the kangaroos. And then we'd play again. So put your kangaroos back. Tell me, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, everyone pick a different card. Say it.
Open your eyes.
Great, and we play again. Have fun.